Yo, 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 what's happening, everybody? It's your boy James. Welcome to DLG Gaming, and today's video we are going to be giving you the Striker 9 / Cor45 build for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer. So, this is what it's like. So the attachments you need are as follows: the Shadow Strike Suppressor for undetectable by radar, the Striker Elite Long Barrel for the bullet velocity, aiming or dustway, recoil control and damage range. You want the Lockman Recon Series stock for gun kick control, aim or dustway and recoil control, the 50 round magazine, and the SL skeletal of vertical grip. The Cor45, you want the XRK IPv2 conversion kit. You want that 40 round drum magazine, the DR6 hand stop, underbarrel, the FJX Diode 70 laser, and XRK dynamic precision stock. Thank you for watching the video. I've been your boy James, and until the next video, I'll see you later.